Sunday, 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 Sunday. Monday, Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. यूके में इसको कहते हैं Tuesday, अमेरिकन में इसको कहते हैं Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. इसमें D साइलेंट है. Wednesday. Thursday, 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 यानी जुमेरात. Friday, 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 जुमा. Saturday, Saturday, Saturday or Saturday, यानी हफ्ता.